really good.
So I have plans for these two. I'm gonna make something that Lucas has never tried before. And it's really yummy. And that is peanut butter bacon sandwiches.
Sounds like disgustment, probably. I don't think they've ever tried that.
You don't think people have tried it?
No?
Have you ever tried it? Let us know in the comments. Do you think it'll be good or you think it'll be disgusting, as you always say, Lucas?
Okay, well, it sounds good, but like it sounds good. I bet it'll be good. Just because thinking of it being as a good combination sounds like it will. So I think it'll be.
Okay, well, let's get started.
But to most people, it probably sounds disgusting.
We have our bacon here, or our Joel bacon, and we have our toast. So we all know how to make peanut butter toast. We're gonna put the bacon on here, and then I'm gonna cut this in half. So one's for me, one's for Lucas. Is the red light on?
Yeah, I want this one.
Which one? Why do you want that one?
Cause
Okay. So. Alright, you ready? Ching ching. Ding. I'm gonna let him have at it first.
oh no, yeah, I got one of the edges, so I can't really taste much.
I already know I don't like it.
That's good. Alright, some parts you can't even taste the bacon though.
Yeah. I think Elvis used to eat these.
Huh?
I think Elvis used to eat these with honey or banana. Maybe both.
I know he liked both.
But I think it was also fried in butter.
He was a weird man.
It is a good combination, don't you think? What do you think about the Joel bacon compared to regular bacon?
Huh?
Joel bacon, that's what you ate.
Oh. I thought you said baking?
Bacon.
I heard bacon, but
Well, so what do you think about it?
I think regular bacon's a little bit better, but that's pretty close. It's really good. I wonder what Cash thinks about it.